Good morning. It's very early on a Tuesday and there's no makeup on my face yet, but that's what I'm about to do because I've been looking at makeup tutorials on Pinterest and I wanted to try one because I don't know a whole lot about makeup, so yeah. Because normally I just wear foundation and mascara and today I'm doing some other things. Yeah, so step one. It says moisturize, but I already did that after I washed my face. Step one is technically wash your face. It's very early. I don't know if you can hear the dryer running. Tuesday morning is when I get up early before my class starts and get adulting things done because that way I don't have to do it later. Step two, it says primer, but number one, I don't own any primer. And that's because I don't even know what to buy. There's so many that exist. And I just, Step 3, concealer. Okay, I can do concealer. This is what I'm using for my concealer. The tutorial that I'm following says to blend the concealer with my fingers, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna use this, because this is a whole lot more fun. Squishy. I feel like that wasn't nearly enough to cover the dark circles under my eyes. Next, foundation. And this is the foundation that I'm using. Look at me being a beauty guru. And this is in the shade Fresh Alabaster, which is number 1, which I think is the second lightest shade you can get. Because I'm pale. I don't really get tan anymore because I don't go outside very much. In case you haven't noticed, I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just, I just figure it out as I go. Now we use a different squishy. I didn't like this beauty blender when I first started using it. I felt a little bit like I was punching myself in the face repeatedly. This one's really squishy, and this one's not as squishy. I think I got some in my hair. What's next? Highlighter and bronzer. No. Blush? No. Eyebrow pencil. I don't own one of those. What I really want is a Morphe eyeshadow palette. But I figured I should probably start actually wearing eyeshadow before I buy more eyeshadow. I am going to make an attempt to follow this little eyeshadow tutorial on Pinterest. I don't have the exact same brushes that they have, so I'm using ones that are as close to those as I can get. Actually, I think this one might be falling apart. I don't know what I'm doing. If you have any problems with the way I'm doing my makeup, just remember that I'm not a makeup artist. That's just a disclaimer because I'm about to pick some colors and some people might be like, why is she picking those colors? Because I don't know what else to do, okay lady? I'm going to start with this color right here. I am using this brush. I couldn't really tell you what kind of brush this is. Here we go! The other eye. Okay. This is just what I'm gonna do, okay? It says lip color. I'm pretty sure this is from Mary Kay. I'm like 98% sure. But I'm going to use this brush with a different color than I just used, but I don't know which one. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, here we go. Oh, I don't know how well this is gonna work at all. Oh, I already messed it up. Congratulations to me. How do you guys do this? Because I don't understand it at all. I already messed it up. Is there a way to get that off? See that? I need a professional to do my makeup on a regular basis. This is taking way longer than I thought it would. My eyelashes were sticking together. The lighting isn't exactly even right here because this is the window right here and the sun is coming up. Because it is 8:25 a.m. on Tuesday, February 20th. I think for the very last color, I'm going to use this color, this blue one right here. I don't know if those even match, but we're gonna make it work the way I make everything else work. Unprofessionally. In case you couldn't tell by now, I am not a pro. I definitely just poked myself in the eye and it hurt pretty bad. Makeup is dangerous, you know? I don't think this looks that bad for someone who doesn't even know what they're doing. I'm just getting makeup all over my room. It's all mascara. This is Clinique. Okay. I don't think it looks that bad for someone who doesn't know how to do makeup very well. And I only poked myself in the eye once. So I'd consider that a successful makeup adventure. Okay, I'm going to go get ready for class. So I hope you have a good day and I'll see you on Sunday. Bye! Now I have to clean up all of this stuff.